Hello guys, welcome to my first devlog. Today I'm going to be showing you what I'm working on for my game. So the basic idea is that it's a 3D game and it's sort of like a platformer kind of. And for the start, and the basic mechanics are just basically basic 3D movement, mouse look. You've got a grapple gun and a picking up mechanic. So I'll just show you an example. So yeah, you've got this and really basic things, and you've got this chair. I'll just get rid of it, and you've got the camera, which is here, which I added, and I can also pick this up if I press left click and throw it with right click. And you've got a dagger here, which is probably going to be like the main interaction tool. And if you go up to the door, it'll actually open for you and let you begin the course. Right now it's empty because I really haven't done much to do with that. And when you get away from the door, it'll go back down, but then it will just stop. And I added things like this. This is supposed to be the name of the company, sort of, that you're trying to escape. And I'm still thinking of the storyline and stuff like that, but that's kind of it, and it'll make more sense the more I go into it. But yeah, so this is what I've got for now. I've got some lights that I've tried to bake, and I tried to put in particles. I'm kind of new to the whole particle system thing, but I would just try to implement some of that. And you can also grapple while you're using while you have an item in your hand, and you can also wall run. So yeah, it'll kind of change the camera when you wall run. It'll like stick you to there, and then and then tilt the camera to make it a bit more. I don't know. It makes more sense if you ask me, because it also looks really cool. So yeah, this is kind of the starting room, and this is the starting room, the things inside the starting room, and the UI, the stats, health, power. Power, I'm not sure how I'm going to use exactly yet, but health is a bit self-explanatory. You've got the player character here as well. I've got basic idle running animations, and if I zoom in here, you can also see him. If I press play, he is going to have the idle animation. Yep, there, and when you run or walk or do anything that requires movement, he will do the whole walking animation. And this also moves with the camera. And I also made the hand that's holding the items move with the camera as well, so you can actually aim with them. And I've got quite a few scripts. Can actually show you the script here. I just finished doing the door thing, moving the door when you go near it. This is the grapple gun script. And if I get like 5 likes on this video, I'm not expecting much, I'll also put the script in the description below for most of these. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Give me any more feedback for future things I should do and stuff like that. This is supposed to be kind of simple, and I'm going to accept ideas and stuff, but it won't be a guarantee that I'll use all of them. But yeah, thank you for watching, and bye.